Okay, so I have shared my screen, so let me know if you guys are not able to see. Okay, so let me start. So we are starting our a brand new this Sitecore CMS training program. So for today, we'll just go through the what the Sitecore CMS is and why Sitecore CMS and what's the how how the Sitecore CMS looks like. So that we are going to talk. Okay. So let's start. Without delaying it, we already delayed. So the Sitecore is a CMS platform, and we call it like an enterprise level CMS platform. Okay. So it's a CMS means like content management system where we we get the option to we can create content, we can put the content on the we can create content, update content, we can manage content, even we can delete content. Okay, so that's the content management system. So you maybe know about the CMS system available in the markets. There are a lot of CMS system, CMS content management system software. Like most familiar one, maybe like WordPress. There is Drupal. There is other Joomla. There is other CMS platform there. Okay, there are as many. Now the CMS platform. But Sitecore CMS is one of the CMS platform that is only for the enterprise level. So that's why we call Sitecore is one of the enterprise level, and it's a leading enterprise level content management system. Okay, so we'll also see like why Sitecore CMS uh, and why we call it like a leading enterprise level CMS. So because it's the CMS platform is offer a lot of a lot of modules, lot of benefits in the CMS system. Okay, so first of all, like I said, Sitecore is a leading enterprise level content management system. It is built on ASP.NET, and sometimes we call it like a digital experience platform also. So when we get into the CMS platform, everywhere you will see like a experience platform, maybe digital experience platform, experience manager, experience like experience word will be there. Okay, so what's that? So that is like it gives us the very friendly user interface for the for the developer, for the marketer, for the designer, for the content creator, for the content author. Okay, so this is the content management platform. All the all roles like developer, designer, the marketer, they all can work together in one of the platform to design maybe a one website or one application, or maybe parallelly or maybe simultaneously we can work on multiple application in one platform, in one Sitecore CMS instance. Okay, so it's only possible in Sitecore. And experience means mostly uh, a little bit about its marketing strategies. Sitecore is famous is for digital marketing functionality. So it has its marketing and function automation, analytics, out of box implemented. So in this in the Sitecore dashboard we get all those things. Okay, we just need to know like how we can configure those inside the Sitecore. Like in the marketing functionality, we have to know how we can create a campaign, how we can create a marketing analytics, how we can automate our marketing functionalities, how we can personalize the content or maybe the pages components. So those are the functionality. So these things may be unfamiliar for you now, but I'm just explaining. So later we'll see those. For now, you have to just understand like Sitecore is a leading enterprise level content management system. and digital experience platform. It's a experience platform. Let's see what it provides. It provides the cutting edge CMS platform. So it provides the content management system. Next, it also provides like a e-commerce platform. Next, it provides a digital asset management. So it also provides a digital asset management, whatever like there will be like a media asset, maybe digital assets. Those we can manage inside the content management system, or maybe we can add maybe the external digital asset management, and we can fetch the data into the content management system. There is CDP, customer data platform. We call it like a CDP. CDP is like you can understand like a uh, analytics. So CDP is a very big term and very famous in terms of when we are analyzing the any application or the website data, that term like a CDP, customer data platform. So any hits, any analytics data comes, so that goes through us some of our logic, does go through some of our conditions. Based on that, like we can decide, we can decide what to do for the business. So that kind of configuration we can do in a CDP. Okay, and CDP generally means it also guides us like whom we can target through the data we get. I mean, and we can also implement our planning. Which page, which component we are targeting to the visitors in our application or in our website. So that's the CDP as well. There is a personalization. So personalization is also, when some website or application seems like a personal, if it gives us something like a personal experience, that we can understand like a personalization. Suppose if you go to the Amazon e-commerce, Amazon shopping website, in some of the times it's so your it based on your interest is, so the some products based on your selection is already giving you the product suggestion. Okay, based on the festive season, it gives you the offers, and based on the interest. So that is the personalization. And if it is giving you an offer, that is the CDP, customer data platform. Like application can analyze your data and can show the result on based of your interest. So that is the customer data and personalization as well. Okay, you can understand this way. Next, we have auto box digital marketing. Yeah, there is auto box. There is a digital marketing system inbuilt in a CMS platform. We have the search functionality there. Sitecore search. We have headless services. So Sitecore search is another functionality. When we are developing the application website, we need a search. So full text search or any kind of search. So Sitecore also provide the search. We have the headless services in the CMS system. So headless service is something like it's a new concept in the CMS platform, where um, our CMS platform act as a backend system, and there will be a separate front end where our page is going to be shown. So there will be a separate backend system. There will be a separate front end system. So that is a headless. More you can understand like a decoupled structure. So that kind of headless service also Sitecore provides. Okay. Next, we'll understand about what the Sitecore key products are in the Sitecore CMS. Okay, so we have key products like we have. We can. I have divided into the two categories. One is like a Sitecore CMS platform. Another like a SaaS enabled platform, composable digital experience platform. Okay, so we'll see what coming inside the Sitecore CMS platform. So in a Sitecore CMS platform, what we get the Sitecore Experience Manager, and we get the Experience Platform, we get Managed Cloud. Okay, so let's see what the experience manager is. Experience manager is a content management system. So if we are getting only a content management system in a Sitecore, so that will be termed as a experience manager. Okay. Next, Sitecore experience platform. If the CMS with personalization, analytics, marketing, automation, XM, and more, then that will be termed as a experience platform. Okay, so I mean we are going to get the content management system with a whole functionality of the Sitecore, so that will be a Sitecore experience platform. Next, we are going to get this managed cloud. So managed cloud is a you can understand like a something like a hosting host our this experience platform and experience platform experience manager in the managed cloud. So it's a native uh, cloud hosting provider of the Sitecore, where Sitecore provides cloud hosting for the Sitecore CMS and Sitecore Experience Manager and Sitecore Experience Platform. Okay, and it gives us it also, I mean, it hosts, it monitors, it manages its infrastructure into the cloud. So that's the managed cloud is. Next, if we go to the other part of the Sitecore, we have a composable DX digital experience platform. Okay, so composable digital experience comes, I mean, we have a few Sitecore products. Those are SaaS based. SaaS is you can understand as software as a service. It's a cloud, one kind of cloud platform where uh, the application will be hosted in somewhere in a cloud as a web portal. There we have to work. Okay, so that is the SaaS product is. So SaaS platform is a cloud platform. So it gives like I said, like a website portal, but it will be a cloud platform. Okay, so what kind of cloud platform or SaaS enabled composable DXP platform we have? We have content cloud, we have engagement cloud, we have commerce cloud. Okay, so in a content cloud, there we have a XM cloud, we have content hub, we have content hub dam, we have content hub operation, we have Sitecore search. Okay, so in a content hub, XM cloud is the main product of the SaaS platform, where I mean we get the option to I mean we get in other product as well, mostly for I mean the main in a content cloud, XM cloud is the main application. In it, I mean we can add content hub, we can add content dam, we can add intelligent search, so like this. Okay, next in an engagement cloud we have content connect, we have Sitecore send, we have CDP, we have personalization, we have testing. So in engagement cloud, I mean it provides as the platform like if I connect is something like it give us a like we can connect with the other system to the our Sitecore platform. Sitecore send, we can it's kind of email experience, email you know email automation, you can say, I mean email marketing in terms of normal, you can say. So that's the Sitecore send is. So it gives us a marketing automation in terms of email. Next we have a CDP and personalization and testing. Okay, CDP, customer data platform personalization, I mean we can personalize the platform and application. Next we have a commerce cloud. In a commerce cloud, what we have in a commerce cloud, we have we can make a commerce product, e-commerce website and application. So we can make a headless commerce application or headless shopping website or application. Like what? B2X, B2 anything, like B2 customer, B2B kind of headless commerce application we can make. Okay, so next let me So if I go to the dashboard, so dashboard will look like this. Yeah, simple XP dashboard will look like this. Okay, Sitecore CMS dashboard, or maybe Sitecore CMS backend, how it looks like. So in the backend, we divide into the three parts, with 3 to 4 parts. You can understand. One is marketing applications, one is content editing, one is control panel, one is access management. Okay, so in a marketing application, what we do is in a marketing application we get the modules or application like experience analytics, marketing automation, forms, campaign creator. So those all things we are going to get the in marketing application. In content editing, what we get the content editor, we get experience editor, we get workflow, recycle bin, and more. Okay, in the control panel we get the control panel and desktop. In access management we get user manager, domain manager, role manager, and access viewer. Okay, so this is how dashboard will look like. It will look like this. Okay, I'm going to show you how the Sitecore CMS dashboard looks like in a backend. So this is how I explained you this and the 4 categories we categorize the its backend system. Mostly we used to work on the content editing in terms of development. In a content editing, we create content inside the content editor. Experience editor is it gives us the similar look and feel like a web page, okay, or a page viewer. Okay, next, if I explain you about the workbox is a the concept where we supposed to get we supposed to authorize the content before publishing into the, or before moving the data or moving the changes to the live website. So that is the workboxes. Recycle bin is normally like um, or a simple desktop recycle bin. Whatever content we delete, we can restore from the recycle bin. Control panel, in a control panel we get some of the functionality for the Sitecore CMS in a control panel. Okay, desktop, it gives a similar look and feel like our system desktop. I'll show you. In a access management, it will go user management, domain manager, role manager. So in a user manager, we can create as much user we can create inside the Sitecore CMS backend. We can create domain for each of the website. Role manager, we can define the role for a role access role for the user we are creating. Suppose if you are creating a user like A, we can give a user like a admin, maybe content creator, content publisher, like that. Access viewer, we can see the access, whatever the content or maybe item inside the Sitecore we are creating, we can give a access, and we can also see the what kind of access we have. Okay, in the marketing analytics, experience analytics will show the analytics things. Marketing automation, any marketing implementation, we can automate it. Forms, we can just create the form like a submit form, contact form, that kind of form we can just create. Campaign creator, we can create the campaign inside the Sitecore. Okay, so let me just show you quickly the how Sitecore looks like so that we can see. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so I will say one of the team member will share the screen. So yeah. Okay, so now you guys can see this is the Sitecore experience platform. So okay, and the dashboard, you can see this is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so now we are, now we are login as an administrator. So now administrator is a admin, so it's showing like an administrator. So we admin generally have a all the access rights. Okay, so you can see we are logged in to the Sitecore. So this is the Sitecore dashboard. Okay, so this is how Sitecore dashboard look like. Okay, so it's a Sitecore experience platform. I saw you earlier, like the dashboard platform, we can, Sitecore CMS platform, we can categorize in a four for category like marketing applications, content editing, control panel, access management, and also analytics. So this is the dashboard. I mean, where it is actually will show us the the analytics. Okay. So in a marketing analytics, I already explained you. These are the marketing the module marketing applications inside the marketing categories. Okay, marketing analytics, experience profile, campaign creator, listing manager. Okay, in a content editing, we have content editor, experience editor, media library, workbox, recycle bin, PowerShell. In a control panel, we have a control panel, we have desktop. In access manager, we have a user manager, security, access viewer, domain manager, role manager. And at last, we have a custom analytics. Okay, so any what for the development. So analytics and marketing generally works when we have already created the application. Then I mean we used to configure the marketing applications. So for now, in terms of now start developing, we have to be good in the content editing part. Okay, like we have to know the concept of content editor, experience editor, media library, maybe workbox. Not necessarily workbox, but we do when we have already created the project, then we configure the workbox. Then we have recycle bin. We have to know how recycle bin works. Then the control panel. We have a control panel. Then desktop. So mostly there are two things you have to know: the content editor and an experience editor. Okay. So first of all, what we'll do, I'll show you like when I click in the desktop, it will give us the similar, similar uh, look and feel view of our system. Okay. So you can see it looks like a desktop, right? There is a icon from where we can navigate to the applications. I mean the options for the Sitecore CMS. Okay, so what I said, you have to be good in first of all in terms of development. You must be familiar with the content editor and experience editor. So in a content editor, what we do, we manage our content, we create content. In experience editor, we it give us the option where I mean we used to um, edit the page directly in the page. Okay, but in the container it gives the tree structure kind of things. Okay, next we have a media library, as it name suggests, like media, where we store the media asset, media files, anything. Okay, so let's go inside, and if I tell you more about how Sitecore, what are the main databases in the Sitecore. Okay, so we have mainly three databases in Sitecore. So if you can see the right side, we have master, core, and web. Okay, so what the core is, core, generally core database, whatever you are able to see, these things are coming from the core. Web database, like whatever application we create, then we publish to the web database. Master, where we supposed to work. So now master is selected, means we are working inside the work master database. Okay, there are around in terms of database, there are around 16 to 17 databases. No, more than 10 to 12 databases inside core. Okay, but mainly uh, these three database works, in terms of creating, managing those things. Other are the, like the analytics database, others are user database, others are the marketing database, others may be email or maybe processing database, xdb database, like that. Okay, so when I click to the data, when I click to the desktop icons, this is how it looks like. If I click on this icon, so it will show me the option like this. Let me explain you. This is the content editor, from where we are going to manage the content. We have a marketing control panel, from where we can access the all the marketing options. Media management, media library, we can access the media. There is security editor, we can grant access and revoke access. Template, from where we can create template. Publish, when we develop the website, we can publish it to the web database. And these things I'll explain you as it will require. Okay, if I explain you in a one time, you will not, maybe you will not able to get this all. Okay, for now only you have to understand the content editor, expense editor, media library, template manager. Okay, or maybe publishing and control panel maybe. Okay, so let's go to the content editor. Okay, so when I click to the content editor, so inside the Sitecore, content editor looks like this. Okay, this is this is what we call is a content editor. So this is the tree structure. There is a content inside it, there is a form, there is a layout, there is media library, system, and templates. Okay, so this is the whole content structure of the content tree. Okay, we call it like a content tree. Okay, so let's see, I'll little bit explain you like how it looks like. Generally today, just to get familiar about how it looks like. So generally in a inside the content, we used to create the the website and its related contents. Okay, suppose if I click on home, so what I'm seeing it in the right side, I click the home. The right side, this this kind of the tabs and section comes. Okay, you can see this kind of tab of section key. So this is we call like a content section, and this side we call is like a content tree. This side, right side, content section, left side there content tree, and the above this one we call a ribbon. This portion we call the ribbon, and this one the ribbon option. Suppose if I'm going to click on a view, so view is a ribbon button, and its option are this. Suppose if I'm clicking in a publish, these are the this is the ribbon, publish ribbon, and its options. Similarly, it's a presentation ribbon button, and these are its options. Okay, so I think now you are a bit familiar So let's just a quick recap. This is the content tree. This is the content structure. Right side is content section. This you call like a ribbon, and its values, its options. These are the options. This is home ribbon button, navigate, review, analyze, publish, version, configure, presentation, security, view, my toolbar. Okay. So you understood, right? In the below you can see we have now, because we open the content editor, it's showing the content editor is open. If I'm opening other thing like maybe a template manager, it will add something like a template manager here as well. Let's see. Okay, it must open, but I don't know why it's not opening. See, if I selected the media library, now the media library section is showing here. If I select the workbox, then workbox will appear here. Sometimes it takes time to reflect that user interface. Let me go back to the container. So in a media library, you can install, you can theme, you can install image, you can upload files, anything. Okay. So I think now I have explained you pretty much about just introduction of the CMS system, what the CMS system is, how CMS system looks like. Okay. So okay. Now you can see maybe we clicked multiple times the template, so that's why it opened the multiple template structure. So this is how template structure looks like. So whatever the app or the module will open, it will keep show us in this for the Windows, like for the Windows, this is our status bar. So similarly, Sitecore has its status bar. So it also shows whatever module. If you are opening a container, so it will show the container. Now we are opening a template manager, so it's showing us the template manager as opened here. Okay. So do you have guys any question? Okay. So next we'll today it was just an introduction of the Sitecore and how Sitecore looks like, what the Sitecore CMS is. Tomorrow we'll go on like um, maybe mainly we are going to focus on the content editor experience editor. So I'll explain you deep into this structure, this folder structure. Okay, I'll explain you about this folder structure and how we create the content and what are the these things are. So tomorrow I am going to explain you about the folder structure of this the Sitecore content editor so that you can understand it, because this is the place where we are going to play, or maybe we are going to work mostly in terms of creating website application. Okay. Okay then, I mean, if you don't have any question, not a problem. This is our group, so you guys can drop your any question in this group. Okay, if you have any kind of question regarding the Sitecore CMS, you can just drop your message here. Okay, so we will continue this session from we'll continue this session tomorrow at 11 p.m. So make sure you guys are available at the 11 a.m. Okay, 11 a.m. to 12. So make sure you guys are available in this time frame. Okay, so if you have any question, you can just drop me a message.
Okay. If I need to set up a local machine for Sitecore, give me a license for.
Sorry, Siva. Kalingi.
I need to set up a Sitecore on my local machine. If you give me a Sitecore license for.
Okay, so I mean, Sitecore license cannot be shared to you. Okay, that you have to ask to the SAT team. So maybe if they have a Sitecore license, they will provide you. Okay, so maybe you can reach out the Joseph or maybe SAT team. They will give you the Sitecore license. Okay. Okay then. I mean, if you have guys any question, you can just drop me a message here. Okay. Okay then. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you.